Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're gonna do a packing video. Oh my god, yes, I'm so happy. I love packing. Honestly, I love packing. Yeah, we're gonna start packing today. My room is a mess. I need to clean up some clothes over there. But let me show you what I got from Ulta. And I went to Papaya. Let me put you over here so I have a different scenery. Papaya, and I went to Ulta. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got. So first I got this Tula Skincare Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. So I got this acne spot treatment because your girl been needing some kind of acne medicine because I don't have any more. I was gonna get that. But I want to try something else. So, oh, this looks cute. This looks super cute. So I got this. Looks like this. Okay, yeah, and it comes out. So I can't wait to travel with this. I'm gonna leave this because your girl has a little problem right here. And next I got this Redken All Soft Shampoo, little travel size because I want to try it out. Yeah, I got the All Soft one. And then I got the blurriness. I got the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. So I got this NYX one. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I love getting my makeup products. I'm just take that out of the bag. So that's from Papaya. Okay, we were gonna go in there, but we just went in there. And my mom got some earrings, but when I walked in, these shorts caught my eye. Look at these velvet shorts. Like, to die for. Oh my god. They're like sleeping. I won't wear these out, but this is what they look like. They're like velvet shorts. Oh my god. Freaking love you, man. Freaking love it. Oh my god, makeup on it. But they were for $5.99. So girl got some shorts. Oh my god. Freaking, oh my god, you look so bad in these. Like, period. And of course, I already showed you the Bath and Body Works. Hey, boos, welcome back. My mom and I did a little bit of shopping today. My mom's at the store now picking up some things. And we went to the mall. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. Y'all are on a cup right now. So y'all are like keep sliding because my phone is like kind of rubbery. But we went to Pretzel. What's this place called? Pretzel Maker. And we got some pretzels. We just got some food. We got some Wendy's. Your girl is gonna start grubbing when I get home. And we went to the store. We went to the mall. I got some goodies. I'll show y'all later on. But I wanted to show y'all what we got for the core. I'm so happy. We went to Bath and Body Works. And can you guess what I got? Can you guess what I got? Oh my god. My mom finally got the car freshening thing because your girl's been wanting it so bad. And they didn't have the one I really wanted. It had like, oh shoot, sparkles, like little fluffy things. But this one's cute because it's white and has some pearls on it so it can match the car because the car is white. And we got 2 inches in. Let's do my new scenery. But we're gonna get my suitcase and start packing some clothes. It's gonna probably be really easy and simple because it's gonna be really cold weather. Be packing the goods, you know. My cute outfit plan tomorrow. I have to wear it tomorrow because I didn't know tomorrow was Christmas, New Year's. Yeah, I didn't know it was New Year's Eve. But I'm gonna get my suitcase real quick. So. This is the outfits I'm gonna be wearing. I decided just to hurry up and just do it. Just get it out of the way so I can show y'all. So, putting our stuff in. I'm wearing the shorts. They're freaking cute. I love them so much. But I'm gonna put them in now. Well, this is what I'm wearing tomorrow. So I'm not putting this in. So my luggage is gonna be small, like less stuff in there because it's like only a few days. So I'm gonna be putting that in. Look, I just love this sweater. This is so pretty. Like, I'm starting to be into like get into nudes. Like, you already know. But I'm gonna pack everything. How do you pack this? Holy crap. I don't know, but I just packed it like that. So I put my shirts over here, and then I'll put like my outfit on outfit. So I'll put this outfit top, this one at the bottom. Well, it's not like I'm gonna wear, but my outfit right here, and then my sleeping type of clothing. These, because I haven't worn these that much. So I'm just gonna take these to sleep in, honestly. This shirt, just to sleep in. I mean, not matching, but I kind of like this shirt. My boyfriend got me when he went to New Mexico. He got me this shirt, so I like to wear this whenever. So I just packed that with my sleeping stuff. This is my go-to jacket whenever I wore this, whenever I go somewhere. Remember I did like an Instagram story. How amazing it is. It's a sports bra, and it's a dance skin kind, and it's spandex. Yeah, that's all I can say, but it's a size large, and I freaking love this bra so much. So just let put y'all on real quick. I don't know where it's from. It could be from Walmart, it could be from Target. I don't know, but it's dance skin brand. So I'm wearing that out. Let's pack our makeup. Oh, let's show y'all what's the inside. So that's what it looks like in the inside, honestly. Oh, I gotta fix my pants, but I need to also put my makeup pouch in here, so I'll put that on top. So probably my makeup will be right here, and I'm probably just be wearing my plain white Vans. I'll be wearing these Vans, so I don't really have to be packing shoes anyway, so I'll just wear these the whole time. So that's what it looks like in there. It looks pretty cool. So now we're gonna pack our makeup and kind of skincare. So first we're gonna do our makeup. We're gonna start with like the beginning, so like moisturizers and some primers. So for moisturizer, I think I'm just gonna take my Kiehl's one because it's smaller, and then I don't want to take my Clinique one because it's bigger. So I don't know to put this in my skincare bag or put this in my skincare bag, but this is for makeup and skincare. And we're using, this is my skincare bag for now. This is a Victoria's Secret makeup cosmetic pouch, but I freaking love this print. But they haven't came back with this print, but I love this print. It's like a staple of Victoria's Secret. So this is like my skincare bag, because if y'all don't remember, my other one busted. So I need to go find me like a really good makeup organizing kit. I really want to get a good, like a whole pretty matching set, but we're gonna use what we're gonna use right now. But this is another makeup bag. It's for all my makeup. So we're gonna start from the goods. We're gonna start with a primer. I'm gonna put y'all like more this way so I can see what I'm putting. Okay, phone goes here. So primer. What foundation do I want to take? Foundations are really hard for me to decide because sometimes I want to wear a certain foundation. We're gonna take the Maybelline. That's a good one right there. And I'm gonna be putting on makeup in the morning, so I'll go through this bag instead. So you always gotta have your beauty blender holder. How does this go? Like this. If y'all haven't smelled this at the store, if you haven't gone, it's the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray. This smells bomb. It has like kind of like a perfume scent to me, and it smells good. So I might overload the face. So we got that. We got our concealer. So makeup, foundation, eyebrows. So I'm gonna use my KKW powder. To conceal it too, I'm using my Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. Powder, my Laura Mercier. I love this stuff. Put all the standing off to the side. Powder. Okay, so primer, brows, powder, concealer, foundation. I have my number 7 powder to put all over my face. And some setting spray. I have Dr. Natural. For bronzer, I'm gonna take my butter I'm gonna take my butter bronzer. I'm gonna take this one because that's the one I'm using today. I want to find me a different one though. Like I like it, but like I want to get like a caramel shade. I haven't found me that good perfect one, so I do what to do. Then I'm gonna take my Profusion blush palette. So we got the goods. And for highlighter, the one I'm using today is my my Milani. This has been my glowy like sun glow. Oh, that's what it's called, but this is like gives you that nice like sun glow. So I got that one. Mascara. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this mascara, it's so good. It's Bad Gal Bang. Bomb shit right there. We need to take our fan, but I think I need to charge it though. Oh, never mind. So we got that. We need our Vlogmas primer. We're gonna need this eyebrow gel, and then our eyelash glue. That's my House of Lashes. I need to take my tweezers. I have a little case. My case is all dirty because I don't really use it, but my tweezer case. I'm gonna put this in my this is for my brushes, this Morphe bag. So I put that in that. This is a cute mini palette I have. It's the Nubian. I'll probably take this one. So this is probably the mini eyeshadow that I'm gonna take. I need to take my under eye powder. I don't even have a case for that either. I'm gonna take my little powder brush and put it on the corner because I don't want it to like mess up. My makeup palette's really light, but once I put my makeup brushes in there, it gets pretty tight. I'm just gonna put my beauty blender, but I'll do that later. So I'll have that right there next to it. Now for my skincare drawer, my bag, I'm gonna be using my moisturizer already in there. I'm gonna take my Pretty Fresh, since I already have a continuous spray, and now I use it as like my skincare mist. And I have my hand sanitizer in there. I'm gonna take my Tula Go Away Acne Treatment. See how this goes. I'm gonna take that. I gotta take some cotton rounds because for my toner. So I gotta take my toner. I think I have some in here. Okay, yeah. So I have some toner. That little travel one. Duh. Gotta have a packed makeup wipes. But I need to get one anyways because my thing always take band-aids. You never know when you need band-aids, honestly. So take band-aids. Well, I'll take the last of these four. Never know when I need them. Good. Oh, and can't forget your toothbrush. This is my new one. I got a new one just to travel with. Oh, and I can't forget to take my shampoo. If I wash my hair, I don't need to take the face wash. And I'm still waiting for my Total Gateway order to ship. It hasn't been shipped, and I'm so like, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting patiently. So, okay, my skin one is clean, done, ready to go. Here is my bag. And I gotta make sure I have everything in here. I have my mouse, my thing, that lacy. I need to charge up, and if I don't have these, I have nowhere to charge my camera. I gotta charge my full laptop. I gotta charge my laptop. I gotta take this, but I'm gonna charge my laptop real quick. So I'm gonna charge it, and my thing started charging, but it's not full, and I'm like, what the heck? Because I always have my things charged every time when it's dying. I'm gonna change whatever's in my purse into my bag. Oh yeah, oh look, see, this is the print also. Victoria's Secret. So, hey, look, oh guys, I changed my thing out. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take my little cosmetic bag I have and stick it in here. My keys, some moisturizing wipes I have. And I'm gonna take my pen, my other little couch. And I'm just gonna put this up, take my wallet and an extra charger, and then my car charger. Body hygiene. Look, there's my sissy. Hey girlfriend. She's scared because of the fireworks. But we're gonna do some body hygiene, so let's get to that. We're gonna take 2 deodorants. So the one I use in daytime, my Old Spice. I'm loving this actually. I'm taking that one, and then I'm gonna take this dry spray that my grandma gave me. And oh, I gotta take my Happy New Year's headband. Oh my god, look at the headband. I gotta take that for sure. Stick my deodorants in there. I have some stuff I'm gonna take, and then I think I'm gonna take mine. Oh, she's scared. She panics. I'm going here. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take my knee necklace. super cute. I've had this for a very long time. My mom got it for me for my Christmas. Then I get the one that my boyfriend got me, my promise ring. Here. And for perfume, I'm going to type which one should I take. I think I'm gonna take You're the One body spray. So I'm gonna take this one because it's cute and simple and it's easy access. So fits in there perfectly. Some of my snacks. What should I take? I do have water. I did buy water. I'm gonna use my Hydro Flask. I gotta wash that later. I'm gonna take Evian water on the rose. I'm gonna put some ice in there. I'm gonna have Evian water because I need to drink a lot of water. So I have water. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys liked my packing with me video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun packing. Heck yeah. Yeah, guys, don't forget about the giveaway. The giveaway is still going on, and I'm gonna be ending it January 1st and be announcing the winner on January 1st, 2021. New year, new video. For January 1st, I'll post this video. So I'll see y'all guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.